And we are moving on to some more breaking news because it is the Congress party which is now countered the BJP letter which was tweeted from their handle in Karnataka. Now the Congress party has hit back at the Karnataka BJP for tweeting a letter written purportedly by MP Patil to Sonia Gandhi, the UPA chairperson, where the Congress party is calling that letter fake. We have seen the kind of politicization already that has been happening over this letter, where exactly it talks about a division in the Lingayats and the Vaishyava community there that would probably go in favor of the Congress party just before assembly elections were to be held in the state of Karnataka. Our South India Bureau Chief Pooja Prasanna is keeping a close eye on all the developments taking place. Pooja, now such kind of a response from the Congress party was expected. Take us through at what all are they now countering the BJP with?
Well, this morning from their Karnataka handle kicked up a storm here in Karnataka because this letter has been completely proven to be fake by several agencies as early as in April 2018. And despite that, just a day ahead of polling, the BJP tweeting this letter which alleges that Sonia Gandhi had instructed for this entire recommendation of the state of the then state government to accord separate religion status to Lingayats has come as a huge embarrassment for the BJP. The Congress has taken on BJP saying that you are actually using a fake letter, and a letter that was in fact fabricated by the owner of Postcard News, Vikram Hegde, who was in fact imprisoned for spreading hateful fake news last year. So in view of this, BJP at this point of time has not yet given out a clarification, but we're hoping that they will either issue a clarification or at least delete that tweet and apologize, because over a year after it was by multiple agencies proven to be fake, the official handle of the state handle of a national party tweeting it will again raise several questions.
Absolutely, because right now, even if we check our Twitter accounts, Pooja, the letter is still there, the tweet is still there. If you're talking about the BJP Karnataka, means no effect whatsoever when it comes to even not verifying or even authenticating before what they put up on their official Twitter handles there, Pooja.
Absolutely. And in fact, when this letter had first surfaced, MP Patil, who had led the movement of Lingayats demanding a separate religion status back then, had gone on record to say that he had written no such letter and it was completely fake, and it was in his personal capacity that he'd led the movement, not even as a politician or a congressman. Post that, several other independent agencies too have tried to verify the authenticity of this letter and have come out with the results that this was in fact fabricated, and there was no such letter written by MP Patil to Sonia Gandhi, or any response to the letter was sent thereafter. So clearly, a year after this, and it being in public domain, the BJP using this letter will cause them a lot of embarrassment. But whether they will now go on record and respond to this or choose to ignore and move on, because admitting it in itself will be going on record to say that they did tweet a fake letter, something that will not be taken very easily on social media. But yes, even as we speak, there are many people who are raising questions on how could there how could there be an oversight of the sort? Was it even an oversight in the first place, or was it a deliberate attempt to polarize just ahead of the state going into polls?
All right, so exactly what is being pointed out, as Pooja is also telling us, that this letter, unverified, unchecked and fake probably, that was doing the rounds. Now the timing too is being questioned, Pooja, where Karnataka goes to polls and already there is a lot of bitterness when it comes to the two ruling parties itself. They start with their blame game within each other, but when it comes to the BJP as well, it is not a lot of being done to even attack the BJP when it comes to Operation Kamala as well, which the Congress and the JDS are thinking that the BJP is thinking to revive it. But now the fake letter also now being tweeted by the official BJP for Karnataka handle still hasn't been taken off.